What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button, join the squad, and if you want to shout at the end of the video, make sure to turn the post notification button and be the first to comment. So today I'm actually gonna be going to a little car meet. Got my car all washed up, got my mask right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Cleaning the whip. She's about to help me put some oil in the car because it is dusty. Hit it, sweater. I have a personal oil person. Just kidding. A personal oil adder, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I'm about to go later on at night. It starts at 9. Oh, I think it was 8. I don't know yet. Once it's time to go, I'll see you guys in the car and ready to head over to the car meet. Let's go. All right, so we're going to a little get together. It is to support a local pizza place, guys. Like, you know how we are in quarantine and stuff. We are gonna stay 6 feet apart, so I just want to tell you guys that. Yeah, so we're on our way right now. I haven't been to any car meets in like such a long time. Obviously, with this whole COVID thing going on, like you can't really go out anyways. But you know, they did this little get together for a pizza shop. Who doesn't love pizza? We're gonna go check it out, see how it is, how it looks. If it looks a little too crazy or anything, too many cops around, then we are gonna leave because I'm not trying to risk it. Even though I am low key kind of risking it. Gotta go out there and show some support. Maybe some of our friends are there. Who knows? Oh shit, there's a lot of people, guys. I was not oh my god, I don't know where to park. Oh, Julio's right there. Oh, I just saw someone that I knew. I don't know where to go though. Where should I go? Whoa, there's a lot of people. Okay. Hey. Oh, should I park right here? Hey, what's up? Is it okay if I park right here? Yeah? Okay. Man, there's a lot of people. Oh my god. Cool. There's a lot of people. Whoa, it looks crazy. There's way more cars than I actually expected. Hey, Julio. Hey, we saw you from a mile away. Hey, hello. Oh my god. Wait, why is there cups?
Selling it.
What?
Selling the car.
Oh, how much?
Whoa.
$12. Do you accept PayPal?
You try to hide her little smile.
Wait, what are you guys gonna say? Oh, your sister right there.
That's not a 240. That's not a 240.
Oh, whoa! Oh my God! Look at how many people there is. I did not expect it to be this many people. Guys, what's your favorite car? Comment down below right now. Right now, let's go. Hey, okay, Underglow, let's go. We're at the helicopter, guys. I hope that's not for us. We're gonna start a riot if it's for us. Where's my little Nelson? Oh, he's over there. I think the meet is getting shut down, but low-key, since I have a state rep, I need a bounce. There's a helicopter in the air. Let's go. So I'm gonna scram before all the cops come because I'm really not trying to get in more trouble. That meet was pretty fun, like so cool. I enjoyed seeing like so many cars. Ooh, okay. She has to go on the other side. Guys, we just found a girl right here. now tugging. Made it home, guys, safe and sound. It was actually my first time ever going 120 on the freeway. I know it's a little slow, but you know, it's my first time. Before we end off this video, I also want to get on a serious note, guys. It's a little bit more serious. I also want to, you know, send out some prayers out there to Floyd's family and, you know, to all the victims that have been, you know, harassed and unfortunately killed by the cops and stuff like that. Keep it in mind and in heart to send out some love and support as well. If you're not going, or if you are going, you know, just stay safe out there. Throwing my prayers out there for them because it is something very serious. And I just thought I should share it out with you guys because this is crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video. I do want to give out not one but 2 post notification shout outs. First one goes out to Golf God and second one goes out to Julio Reyes. Thank you guys so much for turning on the notification bell. And if you guys want a shout out at the end of my video, you know what it do, baby boo. Catch you guys in my next one. See you guys later. Peace.
Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. In the back, it's like alright. In the coupe with a bitch, alright. In the coupe, in the 6, alright.